how much do you understand the basic maths words problem? Like for an example, this one is an example that I have. A man is 30 years older than his son. So we are being told that in 5 years ago, his age was 6 times the age of his son. Find their present ages. So I want us to work out this one. So you can pause the video, work it within a second, so that you can share with us your answers on the comment section. So before I proceed, I am Mr. John, a teacher of mathematics, high school mathematics. I've been teaching it for over a decade now. So I hope you've got the answer with you. So let's confirm the answers that you've got as we are going on step by step. So let's work it again. Let me read it once more. A man is 30 years older than his son. Then we are being told 5 years ago, his age was 6 times the age of his son. Find their present ages. So their present ages means that you are asked to find their ages now. So how do we solve this kind of problem? So many people make a mistake. So it depends with your method that you shall use in working it out. For me, I'll prefer working it out using algebra, because there are some of the ages that you are being not given. Like for example, the age of the sun, we are not being told the age of the sun. So maybe I will represent an X or a Y in calculating the age of the sun. So let's kickstart the solution. So let's work out the solution very fast. So please follow the video up to the end. So we are not being told the age of the sun, so we shall let the age of the sun. So let the sun's age, let the sun's age be x. So here now we are going to say now the sun, and we also have the man here. So their age. So the age of the sun already we have. Now the sun's age, let it be x now. So what about the man? So a man is 30 years older than the sun. So meaning that the man is bigger than the sun. So we are going to add the sun's age with the one for the man's age. So meaning that the man's age shall now be x, that one of the sun plus 30. So this one is the age of the man as we speak, x plus 30 years. Okay, then so these ones are their ages now. Then you are being told 5 years ago, underline this word, 5 years ago, his age was 6 times the age of his son. So let's check the age of the son 5 years ago. So here we are. So son's age 5 years ago. So the son's age 5 years ago will be, so now the son is x years, then 5 years ago the son was x minus 5 years. So x minus 5 years. So that one was the age of the sun 5 years ago. So we are being told that the man's age was 6 times the age of his son. So what of the man's age? The man's age was 6 times that of the sun. So meaning that we have not calculated the man's age 5 years ago. So man's age 5 years ago. So man's age 5 years ago. So man's age 5 years ago would be now this x here plus 30 minus 5. So all these, when you work them out, we shall get x here, then 30 minus 5 is 25. So now we shall get x plus 25. So this one is the man's age 5 years ago, x plus 25. Okay, so let's now proceed with the question. So find the question now says find their present ages. Find their present ages. So we're being told that the man's age here 5 years ago, his age was 6 times the age of his son. That is 5 years ago. So the age of the son was x minus 5. So man's age during that time, so man's age during that time was 6 times that of the son. So the son was x minus 5. So 6 times of that. The answer will be, here now we shall have 6 multiplied by x is 6x. So we shall have 6x minus 30, because 6 times 5 is 30. So this one was the age of the man 6 times by that particular time. So now we have the man x plus 25, and now we also have this 6x minus 30. So now we shall equate. So I shall use the algebra and say that x plus 25 should be equals to 6x minus 30. Okay, so from there now I shall find the value of x. Remember that the value of x was representing the age of the son now. So we shall say this one, all of this equals sign. So I'll write all the x's this side. That is the known. Then I shall write the unknown on this particular point. So here now I shall have 6x. So 6x, then another x is here. So when this x crosses the equal sign, it will be minus x. Then I shall have 25. Already I have this other side, the unknown. Shall be having 25. Then minus 30. When it crosses the equal sign, it will be plus 30. So I shall have plus 30 there. So in this case, I shall continue working it out, and I shall say that 25 plus 30 is 55. So I shall have 55 here is equals to 6x minus x is 5x. For me to remain with x, I'll divide both sides by 5. Here by 5, then here also by 5. So it shall cancel all this. Now x now becomes, so here x is equals to 5 here once, 5 into 55, 11. So x is equals to 11. So x was representing the son. So meaning that presently now we can say that son's age, so son's age is equals to 11 years. Now as we speak, the son's age is 11 years. So if you got the son's age as 11 years, kudos, you did it in the correct way possible. So let's now calculate the age of the man as we speak. So initially we've got the age of the man as this one, x plus 30. So where there is x, we say that the age of the man initially, so I want us to work it here. The age of the man initially was x plus 30. So when you work out this, where there is x represents by 11, so 11 plus 30. So 11 plus 30, we shall have 41. So right now the man is 45 years old. So their present ages, the son is 11 years old, while the man is 41 years old. So if you worked it out that way and you got it, thumbs up. So let's stop there. Please see you in the next video, and if this video has added value to you, so make sure you like and subscribe. Let's stop there. See you in the next video.